Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious fish and chips British style. So first I'm going to start out with my fish preparation. I'm just removing the skin from the cod fillets, and then I'm preparing my potatoes, so I'm just removing the skin. Then you want to chop your potato into chip shapes, and I'm doing them really thick just because I want those really thick British style chips. Then I'm adding in my oil so that it can heat up while I'm preparing the flour for the fish. Got my flour, salt, some black pepper, some paprika, and then I just give this all a really good mix. Just want to mix those dry ingredients first so that they're all incorporated, then add your water bit by bit until you've reached your desired consistency. You don't want your batter too thin, and you definitely do not want it too thick. I will leave approximate measurements for this, but you can't guarantee the exact amount as it depends on the flour and other factors, of course. Then you want to just blot your fish dry and add a little bit of salt. Then you want to dip your fish into some flour. I'm using 00 flour, which is basically strong flour. Dip it into the batter, and your oil should be hot by now. So ideally you would want to get the fish and the chips on at the same time, but for the purposes of this video I'm doing it separate. Once the oil is hot, you can then add your chips in, blanch them for 2 minutes, so we're just dipping them into the oil for 2 minutes before then going ahead and deep frying. Fried my chips for around 15 minutes. Obviously this is dependent on the chip size. I like mine nice and brown so that they're a little bit crunchy. And then I proceeded with my fish. And I cooked my fish for around 10 minutes. I would recommend leaving the heat on medium to high. As you can see, I've got it on high right now, but it was on medium to high. And I let the fish sit on a towel, like paper towel, just to absorb the oil. And then I proceeded to make a seasoning for my chips. So I added some salt, some mixed herbs, and a little bit of paprika just to give the chips some seasoning. I actually like my chips plain without sauce sometimes, so for me this is ideal. So I'm just adding in the chips here, give it a good toss and coating of that seasoning, and then you can add this to your beautiful fish, your fresh fish. Trust me, the taste of the fish is completely different when you're making it from scratch. It tastes fresh, like I can't explain it. The fish from the chip shop, I've actually realised most of the time actually isn't cod, hence why it tastes so fresh and different. But yeah, chips were lovely, the fish was absolutely delicious, and I just wanted to share that easy, quick recipe with you guys that you can do at home with your family, save a few coins. And yeah, I hope you like the presentation too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got any video suggestions, let me know down below. Thank you, and bye.